Hi, I'm Nadi.
And I'm Scoob.
And we're embracing adventure,
one footprint at a time.
So it's been 6 months since we've been in Canada. We've seen the most amazing scenery. You can see our background here. It's just been incredible. Canada is so beautiful. Yeah, we just wanted to show you what we've been up to, and a lot of you have reached out on our YouTube channel to ask if we're okay. Thank you for that. And to ask when our next video is, well, here it is.
There is a man in the west. He's looking for some trouble, fight the best.
So we are based in Pemberton.
Pemberton. We moved to Pemberton about 4 months ago. More?
We moved to Pemberton in the beginning of June,
Yes.
following a job offer that I got.
When we were planning on moving to BC, we didn't really see us living in the city in the first place. So the fact that we could find jobs this side, I'm working remotely, he's working in Pemberton. We're just incredibly lucky. Everything has worked out exactly the way we wanted it to.
We're heading into winter now. Things are starting to get a little bit cooler. And we're heading into ski season. So Whistler is renowned for its skiing and snowboarding. We'll be purchasing our ski passes, or our, what do they call it?
Season passes.
Season passes.
We'll probably be posting some videos of that as well.
6 months the ski season will be done, so you can expect our video 6 months after that.
So those of you who are planning on starting new and setting up a life in a new country, it's not easy. We literally arrived with 2 large suitcases each and a few backpacks.
Four backpacks.
We were those guys. In the last 6 months, we've gone from having 2 suitcases each to a fully furnished house that we furnished ourselves. And we finally brought our doggies over. That was a 4-month process. They're here with us, which is amazing. And they're loving life in Canada, our little Canadian doggies. And what else would you say has been quite challenging?
The rest has been easy. It's been plain sailing. I mean, this is just a taste of what Canada has to offer, and looking forward to exploring a bigger portion of it.
In winter.
If you enjoyed our video, hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, and turn on the notifications.
And if you guys want to see some up-to-date posts, please follow us on Instagram or Facebook. Okay, bye. Bye.
Toodaloo. Hi, I'm Nolly.
Hi, I'm Nali.
And
Yeah, we're going to make this look less like Fun with Flags.
yes. Hold my beer. Let's go into our count. We're not trending yet after one video.
No.
We've seen a load of bears.
Seen a lot of bears and she looks like one.
She's seen a lot of bears and she looks like one.
Thanks for watching, guys.
Thanks for watching. Felt a lot more natural. Guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe button, turn on the turn on the